Hi friends, in this video we study about adjoint of a matrix. So what is the adjoint of a matrix? For this adjoint of a matrix we need minus and cofactors. So here adjoint of a matrix means this is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix. So we know what is cofactor matrix. Cofactor is nothing but minor of an element with proper sign. So here let A equal to, let the matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then adjoint of A is nothing but the transpose of the cofactor matrix. The cofactor of A11 is capital A11, similarly A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and whose transpose is nothing but adjoint of A. Transpose of a matrix means that is interchanging rows into column signs, columns into rows. Means we row in terms of column, that is A11, A12, A13. Next A21, A22, A23 written as in terms of column, there is A21, A22, A23. Similarly, A31, A32 and A33. So here we solve some examples. That is, find adjoint of A for A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. We have A11 is means that is cofactor of 2. We find cofactor of all the elements. So here cofactor of 2 is, that is 2 means neglecting this row and this column. Cofactor of 2 with a proper sign. 2 is here positive sign. So remaining element is 4. So cofactor of 2 is 4. Similarly cofactor of 1 means neglecting that row. Here is cofactor of A12 means there is cofactor of 2. Sign comes minus. Cofactor of A12 is minus 1. Sign is minus and this element, that is one element left. And similarly A21 is cofactor of 1 is minus 3 and cofactor of 4 means A22 is, that is comes 2. Hence we have adjoint of A is, adjoint of A is nothing but it is A11, A12, A21, A22 whose transpose. So here A11 is nothing but 4, 4 minus 1 minus 3, 2, and whose transpose. The transpose is nothing but interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows. So we write this column in terms of row as 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. This column is right in row minus 1 2. So what we get here, for a matrix of order 2, so to get adjoint of A is interchanging the diagonal elements. Here principal diagonal elements are interchanged, that is in place of 2 we return 4 and in place of 4 that is 2. Interchange these two, and the other diagonal elements are changes by its sign only. Here look here, here 3 and 1 we get here minus 3 and minus 1. So here is one note, for a square matrix of order 2 given by A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, the adjoint of A can be obtained by interchanging the principal diagonal elements. We change here principal diagonal elements and other diagonal elements multiplied by minus 1, means multiplying other the remaining elements as minus 1. So that is A equal to, so suppose the matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, then adjoint of A is, adjoint of A is interchanging diagonal elements means A22, A11, and the remaining or other diagonal elements multiplied by minus sign, multiplying this one minus a minus A12 minus A21. And here, and one more note, if A be any given matrix, given square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A is nothing but determinant of A into I. Remember this note, we solve using this one example, and determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A raised to n minus 1. These three notes, and now we solve some examples and find the adjoint of the following matrices. So suppose first example is matrix A equal to, it is A B C D, whose adjoint A is, adjoint of order 2 is what we get, that is interchanging the principal diagonal elements means D A interchanged. Next other diagonal elements multiplied by minus 1, that is minus B minus A means multiplied by minus sign, and this interchanging terms. So here on more example, A is equal to the matrix 1 2 3 4. So adjoint of A is, that is comes 4 and 1 interchanged, it is 4 1 interchanged, this 4 1 interchanged, and this 3 2 and 3 multiply minus sign, that becomes minus 2 and minus 3. So hence this is over. Next example is, if A is equal to the matrix 1 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 4 1 minus 2 1. So adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix, means we find the cofactor of the each element. So what is the cofactor of 1 is, cofactor means is nothing but minor of that element with proper sign. So we know that a matrix of order 3 by 3, if the matrix of order 3 by 3, we have the sign, always remember, first term is positive, second is negative, third is positive, and so this is second row is negative positive negative, and third row is again positive negative positive. So better this one is, we have to always take first element as positive sign, and remaining next alternative sign comes. If remaining negative, then positive, then negative positive, like this way we take. So here adjoint of A is nothing but we take a cofactor of the corresponding element. So cofactor of 1 is, sign is positive, plus 1, neglecting that row and column, remaining a determinant of the remaining element, that is minus 5 4 minus 2 1. Next second term is, sign is negative here, minus of, that is cofactor of this 4 is, that is neglecting this column and this row, remaining determinant of, that is elements is minus 2 4 1 1, minus 2 4 1 1 comes. Next sign is positive, determinant of neglecting that row and column, that is this row and this column neglect, so we get it is minus 2 minus 5 1 minus 2, determinant of this value. So therefore next cofactor of this minus 2 is, that is minus of neglecting this row and this column, remaining element is, that is 4 minus 2 1, plus now this sign comes positive, because this is negative means this alternative sign comes positive, plus determinant of cofactor of this 5 is, that is neglecting that row and this column, so we get it is 1 minus 2 1 1, 1 minus 2 1 1 determinant. Next one is cofactor of this 4 is, sign comes negative now, neglecting that row and column, that is minus of determinant of elements are left is 1 4 1 minus 2. Next cofactor of this 1 is, that is sign is positive here, because positive negative positive sign, that is plus determinant of, that is cofactor of this 1 is, 1 means neglecting this row and this column, so left elements are 4 minus 2 minus 5 4, 4 minus 2 minus 5 4. Next sign is minus determinant of cofactor of minus 2 is neglecting this row and column, that is 1 minus 2 4, plus determinant of 1 is, cofactor of this 1 is determinant of, that is neglecting this row and column, remaining determinant of value is 1 4 minus 2 minus 5, 1 4 minus 2 minus 5. And whose transpose, always remember while finding adjoint of A, what we do, the mistake is you write the cofactor, that is cofactor of each element, and you forget this writing transpose, T, or you can write a dash, always remember this one. So first we find this cofactor matrix, then we take the transpose, remember this one as is T. So this is equal to, in the matrix form, that is minus 5, whenever this sign is negative 1, any one of negative, we take positive sign, that is for 2 for 4s are 8, minus 5 plus 8, minus into bracket minus 2 minus 4, and this is minus 1 plus 2 to the 4 plus 5, because sign is one sign is negative, one element is negative, so middle sign we take positive value. Next minus into bracket 4 minus 4, here both the signs are negative, both the elements are, it is negative with negative sign, so middle sign comes negative, that is 4 minus 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1, so here this is minus 2, so this sign comes positive, that is 1 plus 2, minus of into bracket minus 2 minus 4, Next this is 4 4 are 16 minus 10, because both are negative means again comes negative, minus 10. Then minus of into bracket 1 4 are 4 minus 4. This is 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. This is sign is 1 is negative means positive, middle sign comes positive sign, plus minus 5 plus 8. So into transpose. So therefore this is 6 minus 5 plus 8 is 6, minus 2 minus into minus equal plus 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, this is 0, plus 1 plus 2 is 3, minus this means this is plus 6, 6 0 3 transpose. Now we write transpose means interchanging rows into columns, that is 6 3 0 6, row columns into rows we write, or rows into columns. Next second row should be 6 0 6 3 0, and this is 9 6 3, means this column we write in terms of row. So therefore adjoint of A is 3 0 6 6 3 0 9 6 3. So how to find adjoint of A, because this is a very important concept in find the inverse of the matrix, because 5 marks examples we solve using this method. Remember, next video it comes. That is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means what we take, that is cofactor of each element whose transpose. Never forget to write this T or dash. You can write transpose as dash or denote it as T, capital T. So and the last step is, by finding the transpose we write interchange rows into columns, then you remove transpose sign T, that power T. Next one more example, that is find the adjoint of the matrix A equal to 1 minus 2 3 0 2 1 minus 4 5 2. So here therefore the adjoint of A is, that is the matrix of first cofactor of 1 is, that is plus sign is positive here, plus sign is first element always sign is positive, plus neglecting that row and column. So elements are 2, determinant of 2 1 5 2, middle sign is negative, minus determinant of, that is neglecting that first row and second column. So what we get, that the remaining elements are determinant of 0 1 minus 4 2, 0 1 minus 4 2. Next sign is positive, eliminating this first row and first column. So remaining elements are, it is determinant of 0 2 minus 4 5. This first row is over, all the elements of cofactors is over. Next cofactor of this 0 is, how to get cofactor of 0 is, that is sign is negative, because second row this sign is positive means here this is negative always comes. So therefore that is minus of neglecting this row and this column. So elements are, it is minus of determinant of minus 2 3 5 2, plus this is sign positive, plus 2 of neglecting this row and column, that is neglecting this row and column into the determinant of remaining elements is 1 3 minus 4 2, 1 3 minus 4 2. Next sign is negative, minus of determinant of neglecting this row and column, that is we find cofactor of 1. So that is 1 minus 2 minus 4 5, plus next third row is first sign is positive, plus determinant of, that is we find minor of 4 minus 4 is, that is plus minus minor minus 4 is neglecting that row, neglecting that row and corresponding column. So elements are here minus 2 3 2 1. Next sign minus determinant of 5 is 1 3 0 1, 1 3 0 1, plus determinant of this cofactor of this 2 is plus 1 minus 2 0 2, whose transpose, always remember, don't forget this, once again I am repeating. So that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 5 minus into bracket 0 into 2 is 0, minus into minus equal plus 4. Why we take this is plus 4? Because here one element is negative, so we write middle sign as positive. Here is both are positive, so I written here minus sign. If both are negative, again we write minus. Remember this one. Then 0 into 5 is 0, plus 8. This is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 15, plus this is 1 into 2 plus 12, minus into bracket 1 into 5 is 5 minus 8 because both are negative, so middle sign is negative. Next, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 2 3s are minus 6, minus into bracket determinant of 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0, 1 into 2 is 2 minus 0. So that comes 4 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 4 8, 19, 14, 3. How it comes? Minus 4 into minus 15 is minus 19, into this minus sign is positive 19, 2 plus 12 is 14, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, into this minus, that's a positive sign, that is plus 3, minus 2 into minus 6 is minus 8, minus into bracket it is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and this is 2. Whose transpose? Now transpose means we interchange rows into columns, that is my first row should be as first column minus 1 4 minus 8, next 19 14 3, that is second column 19 14 3, and the third row should be in terms of column, that is minus 8 minus 1 2, and hence the solution here. Similarly, one more example. These examples you have to try yourself, that is if A is equal to the matrix, that is 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1, whose adjoint of A comes 3 1 minus 11 minus 12 5 minus 1 6 2 5. It comes. You have to try yourself by using the previous method, and this is also take an exercise. You have to solve, try for it. So next example, if A is equal to determinant of 2 3 minus 4 minus 6, verify that A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. So what is here? Given A is equal to matrix 2 3 minus 4 minus 6. So what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is here for order 2. We interchange the principal diagonal elements, and non-diagonal elements are changes by its sign. So here interchanging, that is minus 6 and 2 interchanged, and other diagonal elements are changes by its sign. Minus 3 right, and minus 4 I write plus 4. So adjoint of A is over. So now A into adjoint of A means product of these two terms, that is 2 3 minus 4 6 minus 6 minus 3 4 2. So product is matrix multiplication is nothing but rows with respect to corresponding columns. We multiply. So 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, and 3 4s are 12, corresponding row with respect to first column. So first row first column, that is comes first element. Now first row second column, that is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 3 2s are 6. So first row is new product element of first row is over. Now second row first column, that is minus 4 into minus 6 is plus 24, minus 6 into 4 is minus 24, and next this is second row second column, that is minus 4 into minus 3 is 12, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 12, and so element the value should be, that is 0 0 0 0. The matrix should be 0 matrix. Next adjoint of A into A is, adjoint is first this is minus 6 minus 3 4 2, into A is given matrix is 2 3 minus 4 6. Again a product, that is multiplication is, that is row with respect to column, that is this is row corresponding row with respect to this column multiplication, that is first row with respect to first column as minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. Next first row second column, that is minus 6 into this 3 is minus 18, minus 3 into minus 6 is plus 18, 4 into minus 4 is now second row first column, that is 4 into 2 is 8, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So that is again 0 0 0 0 comes. So this is 0 matrix. So adjoint of A into A is equal to A into adjoint of A. Now we find determinant, and determinant of A is equal to 2 3 minus 4 6 8, 2 3s are minus 12, and this is one sign is negative means minus of minus 1 positive we write, that is minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So therefore A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A equal to, if determinant value is 0 means identity matrix with respect that is 0 comes, so that is equal to 0, and hence the solution. So here end of this adjoint of matrix. but end means here not is the end, because in inverse, finding the inverse of the matrix, we use this adjoint of matrix form. So here next video we continue about finding the inverse of the matrix. Okay, we stop here. So thank you.